Hello, everyone, and welcome. I want to make a light demo of one of my recent projects, which is a plugin that I developed lately for Grasshopper, which can help in automating the digital fabrication, drawings preparation. And in this matter, I created this component called Panevolve, which is found here. I'm going to upload the plugin on Food for Rhino, and you can get the GHA file, the assembly file, and just drag it and drop it on your Grasshopper canvas. In this case, you will find this Panevolve panel showing on your Grasshopper plugins. So basically, and at the moment, all this plugin has is only three simple, very simple components. One is an about component where you can find information about the component involving what it does, um, its version, and the context. And after that, and what this plugin does at the moment is you can simply create paneling on any surface, and then if you want to just create the, let's say, the digital fabrication, like just orienting the panels on planes, on planar planes on XY, for example, all you have to do is go to the Orient tab, choose the Orient Planars to Sheets, which is a component that reorients all the planar surfaces to new sheets, and it creates like a rectangle showing the sheet. And you can, of course, choose the size of the sheet using this spacing in X and Y. So what you do is just connect the panels. You, of course, have to give the same UNV divisions, and this will definitely directly create those. And it has already start in X and Y coordinates for the start of those sheets creation. It starts at 0, but you can always change them. So if you want to move it a bit to the X and to the Y, you can now just modify where the sheets start from. And regarding the spacing, it controls the size of the sheets, so you can just connect a number slider which changes the size of the sheets on the X and on the Y. Now, what is missing is we need to map those panels with the panels on the surface itself. So what you can go ahead and do is go to the Annotate tab and then go to Add Text Component, which is the third and last component in this version. And in this case, you can just connect the panels. You can connect the sheets coming out from this component, and then it will take some time because it will give you the numbers on the planes, on the surfaces, and those numbers are exploded to curves. That's why it takes some time, like 2 seconds. And the second thing is it adds text showing the panel number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have this these little options, so you can offset the text to the X by some number, so like 2, and then it will move those the sheets text to the X, and you can always do the same with the Y. Also, you can choose the height of the text on the panels, like here, and the default, I think, was 0.3. You can just increase or decrease it as you wish. So, oh, zero point 0.7 is really large. We can do something like 0.1, and now it's much smaller. And also, let's control this sizes with the sheet text height input, which can be like 0.35, for example. And if we add it here, this will, oh, okay, it's actually the default is 0.35, so let's make it something like 0.5 and check what happens. Yes. So that's all for now, and this plugin is still under development, and there will be many more updates in the future. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions or problems while using it, just please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.